Refinancing simply means you're taking your existing mortgage and you're replacing it or paying it off with a new mortgage. That's all. I know it sounds complicated, but it really isn't. And there are a couple different reasons why someone might want to refinance their mortgage. One of the biggest reasons is to get a lower interest rate. So maybe I got my mortgage for my house or my apartment a few years ago, and interest rates at that time were at 6 or 7%. And now I'm looking at rates that are at 5%. I might refinance or replace my old mortgage with my new mortgage to get a lower rate and to save on interest. So saving on interest is one of the biggest reasons to refinance your mortgage. There are other reasons you might want to refinance. Sometimes you have some equity in the property, and in addition to getting a new mortgage, you want to pull some of that equity out of the property, and that would be considered a cash out refinance. One of the most common questions I get is, when should I refinance, or how do I know when is the right time to refinance? And it really depends on your situation, because there are some drawbacks of refinancing as well. It's not a free benefit. When you refinance, you have to pay closing costs to do that. And so you always have to weigh the benefits of refinancing with the costs that you're paying. And I know a lot of people will tell you, oh, there's no closing costs out there, don't worry about it. Particularly the salespeople that are trying to sell you a mortgage. But trust me, there are always closing costs. You may not always see it, but you may be paying out of pocket. You may be getting a bigger loan amount, and so they're putting the closing cost into the loan. Or they may be paying in terms of a higher interest rate than you could have gotten otherwise. So you're always trying to weigh that cost of refinancing with the perceived benefit. Also take a look at how this fits into your overall financial situation. One of the challenges sometimes people don't realize is they keep stretching out or refinancing into new loans, and they're stretching out the loans, and they may end up paying more interest over the long term because they're never paying down or paying off their house. So keep that in mind. Make sure when refinancing you get a new mortgage that's right for your situation, and make sure the benefits outweigh the drawbacks.